video, I'll show you how to enable the motion detection settings in the OSI Spotlight Bullet Camera. If you'd like the camera to automatically record and send you notifications whenever cars, animals, or people come into view, you'll need to enable motion detection. Here's how. Open the Bullet Camera device from the SmartLife app. Tap the Collapse menu on the far right, the arrow with the two lines below it. This will expand the camera interface options page. From there, select motion detection to turn it on. The icon will be highlighted in red. This concludes the motion detection video tutorial for the OSI Spotlight Bullet Camera. Watch the following videos to ensure your settings are correct. This includes motion detection, human detection, activity area, alarm sensitivity, and night vision and motion activated spotlight. You can also learn how to view and save motion captured clips. You can find the direct links to these videos in the description of this video.